Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on NUBIA Pad 3D. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and then click install. Now you can click open. And here click on agree and continue. Then you can close this ad. And now click consent and then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.